Hey everyone, so this is Brandon here showing you the inside of a sewer. Those are big balls of tree roots at each fitting. You can see how bad that is. That we did here, putting plastic up, make sure everything looks nice. This is your old Dearborn trap. This is your new clean out, your new Y. Getting ready to do some concrete, and there's your finish. Bye. Okay, so this is another job that we did here. Pretty nice basement. Had a broken sewer underground. That bed was super heavy. Probably the heaviest bed I ever lifted. That's your raw sewage. Imagine how that smells. Bathroom was affected. This is what we did here. We got plastic over the bed. It was too hard to move out of the room, so we just plasticed it off. This fitting here had cement inside it, so that was super odd because it wasn't connected to nothing. It was just there. It was right there, going just like that, and there was nothing there. There's your new pipe. So we're all done at this point here. Showing a little bit of the after.
Black, run that shit back, man.
There's your finish. Bye. Okay, so this is our Spartan hydro jetter. This is what we use to properly clean sewers. We could put it at 4,000 psi. It allows us to go inside your sewer and scrub the whole diameter of your sewer as a...
Oh my